Yes, over there, where on that day? Where on that day? Lekki, okay, they go. Oh yeah. Hold on there, boy. Oh yeah, bro, enter. Oh, your change, oh.
I don't get change.
If you don't get change, okay, I don't get change. Wait till this one. If you don't get change, no enter.
You can be no yes, I don't get change. I don't get change. Don't work like you work since.
Yes, where you? Be like say you dey meant. Yeah, be like POS stand to you.
Asana.
You get bad mouth. I get your type too.
You get which type?
You don't get my type, enter the motor job. Go enter a car now. That's where they be. Dead man, enter motor job, how they go?
Oh God, too quick enter. No be say we go reach bridge like go say we go stop. We no go stop until we reach bus stop. You dey hear me?
What you see for there, you take her like that.
Yes, so.
I'll tell you now.
When we reach bus stop like this, you will go find change. Give me.
I get change.
Then why? Give us talk and sit now. Oh yeah, they enter. They mine now. Oh yeah, go they run am. Lekki. Go they go. Where passengers dey?
What is going on? Oh my God, this cannot be happening. Please, what is this? Please don't do this to me. I have a meeting to attend to. It's not coming on. Maybe I just have to order for a ride. Just don't even know what's happening with these cards. I don't understand. Ah, God, I forgot to charge my phone and now it's dead. What am I going to do now? How am I going to order for it right now? And I have to attend to this meeting real fast. I'm late already. What am I going to do? Shit.
Ha! Easy, oh. Hey. I'm on assistance now. May everybody just find something whole. Because if driver not drive, knock something. That's one I go knock on her head and I go with that thing. I better go.
I beg you, madam, may you calm down. If you go, not be early go, you go a pass like that.
Now you go. I get picking for house. I beg me drive like person wey get sense.
Madam, you never see where passenger they collect steering wheel for pilot. Smally, you never respect me, oh. You know say I pass driving school.
Drop in there, oh.
Oh, you know you blind. You know she say no they drop for you.
Then they drop me every time now. Drop in there.
You will pay the 15K, Abi.
Oh, drop this.
Drop yourself now. Drop yourself now.
You want to cut our for?
This is a damn for. I mean, I don't condemn.
What did they bring this leg now? I'm about to try to drop this one.
Oh, yeah, now.
The answer is just a cause problem. But you fly out now.
Park this motor now.
Park.
Oh, yeah, now. You're not parking you want. You'll see us now. You'll see us now.
True?
What kind of nonsense is this one?
Oh, yeah, they come on.
Come on. You blast it today. Blast it today. Worry this. Blast it. Okay, if they say you send family member, everybody see.
I don't think that someone come down.
I shall bring them. It's a good bus stop for you. It's a good bus stop for you.
Come on, build the bus stop for you.
Take.
You get lost.
If I can't come out here, Joe.
You get lost. If I enter you now. See
oh, man, now. Just be like a chewing stick.
See your people.
Hey, pap. Small enter bus mode they go.
I beg, come on, they go, I beg.
Mother, you go shut up for that place, you go come down from this car. If you don't get my, just shut up, oh. See ya.
Hey. Nah.
I beg, now walk and they go. I don't want to die, make it think I easy.
Oh, soldier, no, they die. Oh, soldier, no, they die. Small happen now. Well, me, I be like, say, we'll go find one mama food. Your pen, your chop softly, now stand.
Na banga dey hungry me, na banga dey find like this.
My village say they use banga to swear for you, Smally. You know what we go do? We go just run one last round there, but then we go back to chop. How you say now?
Hey.
Anna.
Boy, you know say I no shop anything since last night. If they do one round, may your one round be one round.
Why you talk like that now? You know say my one round the last though. Hey, oh there you go.
Oh yeah,
last bus stop.
We don't reach last bus stop, oh.
I beg you.
Shut up, oh. Shut up.
How much you pay? Well, you don't ever see where pilot. You ever see where pilot they control pilot.
How about they go no my
Only
me my mama get.
You
ask how many my mama get?
The tire, we think for that because I mean your mama born. You dey crazy.
All of them dey crazy. No, I go to this bus stop now. You go stop.
Oh yeah, nah, we don't move. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, man, they get.
Oh, they go.
Very soon, I go get them.
They crazy. Oh yeah now. You go enter, you go move, go for it. Don't enter for here.
Enter.
Don't enter for here. Sharply more enter now.
Enter now. If you don't want to enter, I'll probably go front. I beg you don't want to enter here. Wait.
Enter now, more the pillar now.
Enter now.
What did they happen?
I tell you.
Do you want to injure me? What is it? Jesus. Do you want to injure me? Are you okay?
You calm down. Or if it's in a my Jeep it is. Oh, they moved, yo.
Are you silly? Is this the apology I get? Wait. I'm already late for my meeting. Wait.
Wait till this one. Smally, which kind of passenger you be me today now? Wait till they happen. Your man, they blow, go like you only you this car.
Wait, I can pay for everything, please. I'm late for my meeting. You don't have to pick any other person. I can pay for everything, please. Where you before Lekki Conservation.
Now that's how you go. Oh yeah, now your money not take pa.
In this thing that is sounded like want to break down.
Oh yeah, now.
Dirty what?
Oh yeah, now. No wahala. Smally, if you imagine say person they cost now, yeah, come down now, go enter motor, go enter your own motor, person will carry you 10K, they come on my motor, you don't do.
Is that why you want to charge me like a thief? I go to that place every morning.
Oh yeah, now you carry your motor, they go now. So carry your own motor, they go. We know they charge you again. Come on my motor.
Okay.
Ma stop the bus. Ma stop her.
Wait, calm down.
Stop her.
Okay, wait. I'll give you 25K. I'll give you 25K.
Now what do you for talk now? Now what do you for talk since now? Which one you got a raise shoulder? Wait till they pop. And man, don't worry now. We'll take you where they go. You know where they stop If you're meeting 20 minutes from here, I go carry you there 10 minutes. My boss gets space. You'll sleep, you'll spread. Anything when you want to, you'll do. You understand? Come on now. More they press. Oh yeah now. Make I press on now. More they go. I'm not worrying now. 14 minutes we'll get to your yours now. No, we they move. Come on, your scrap on my motor. Come out. Go to the top of village. We they move. Mama, if I hold break, you will flag off our windscreen. Hold something. We'll reach your meeting, Anna. Don't worry. Everywhere good. Hold something.
Jesus. God.
I saw you soft rich.
Jesus.
All land.
Jesus. What kind of thing is this?
Calm down.
What is wrong with you? Are you too crazy?
What happened?
What is it now?
What happened?
How can you own this atrocity of a thing and you still drive like a drunk? Do you want to kill me?
Now you don't say you want to go meeting.
And I needed to be here in one piece.
Something they worry you. I be you reach here in different pieces. Not be your body day yet. I'm gonna pay money, Jare.
Shut up, let me hear what.
Respect yourself.
Only you chillax now. Not that this one be like pure agent, but I never see any Lagos also. You know, see baby Robert have fun now.
See, let me tell you something. I am a lawyer, do you hear me? And I can charge you for overspeeding and you for physical assault if your hand touches me. Just try it.
See, you just talk nonsense for that place, eh? See, pay our money, make we go. I mean, because they give us 25 pounds, I make we go sit down here, they gist with you.
I beg.
You don't draw the money.
Take.
See, ma tell you something. Hey, baby rubber. Smally hold on. Baby rubber, ma tell you, see. Now they sort our boss. So you know, because of the boss now, you go this side of road, they stand like sheep where don't get owner. Now they bite the hand when insult you. No, they insult the hand when Sha. Not bite something, Sha. Next time. Smally enter boss mode they go.
Silly bunch.
Enter boss mode they go. Mama level. Fire the Lekki. Come on. See baby rubber.
So tired.
Dilo, you're back.
More, Anna. I'm so exhausted. Like I've had the most dramatic day ever. Tired.
What happened? I saw your car parked outside all day.
My dear, the car refused to start. And that's where everything else went downhill from there. Look, I had the worst ride of my life today.
Tell me about it. Those riders, they can be very funny.
Which ride? My dear, I took a bus. My phone died. I could not order for any ride though. See the bus driver and the conductor of that bus, those two people, they must have escaped a psychiatric ward because there is no way that two of them are normal.
Sorry about that. But hope you were able to see your clients, Abby.
See which clients? When I got there, they had left. They said that they thought that I was no longer interested. They thought I was playing them. So they now handed the job to somebody else. Just like that. Babes, I even paid 25k to get to that place.
25k?
I actually hired that bus because I did not want any other passenger to enter the bus. So I hired that bus for 25k. So 25k gone to the drain just like that. Money useless. And this driver and conductor, they almost killed me. Babes, I'm just happy to be alive. Look, in fact, I'm never going to just experience this kind of nonsense ever again. First things first, let me even start to charge my phone so I will not experience this kind of drama tomorrow. I'm just tired. I'm just sick and tired of this little thing. I don't understand it.
What happened again?
Babes.
What?
Tito. My phone is not in this bag.
How?
Just as this makes small. And also now you finish them.
Which kind of smelling up that one?
Mother job.
Since all the drink are for this, don't mean the drink and with the milk. I be accidental your belly, my belly the answer.
I tell you. With the chop all the meat, the chop all the gari. Your body's still small, you know they go anywhere.
I agree.
Nonsense.
I don't blame you. Me try to insult me way, yeah? Okay, go where?
Good.
That my guy. For Computer Village, you say my car come saying go give us 500k.
But wait.
Which kind of dirty question be that one now? For phone we will see today now. I just say na when after baby rubber come up for motor 9, the thing for come pick up like this. I'm over said this in 500 per. Hey! Go buy garri like this, buy beans, buy milk, buy everything.
You know say you dey crazy.
Which kind of be that one now? What be that one?
You know see where I dropped that woman today. I'll be lawyer office be that. You want involved?
I don't understand. Which day we start to dey run from case? See Bettina, why you dey run from case like this? See you respect yourself, bring that phone now. I'll go call the person, go bring money.
Be like say they swear for you. Because they don't swear for you. Not be anything where you just see, your carry, go they say. Say. They swear for you.
That one is your business. You hear me? You don't consign me. Anyway, Sha, We will wait till tomorrow morning. We should not come for an selling straight.
Drop this garden finish before you finally craze. Mad melon.
No blame me. I don't want to make me quit. Seriously, I don't finish the milk now. Nothing for person to chop now. The next thing I go to drink Gary, then my eye blind, so I go find another conductor, abi.
I'm not paying you conductor money today.
So now driver money now use buy milk.
I don't answer you again. Stay there.
Don't worry. I need to go anywhere now. 2 of us will do here. So they drink on like that, so I go blind together.
Quiet your mouth.
Use your head though. Hey, it's suffering now. It's suffering. How many spoons I don't shop?
I put my phone in this bag. Hey God, I must have left it in that bus. Oh my God, no. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Boss. See, Susie, just forget it. Forget it, because the passengers will even pick it up before the driver sees it.
This driver, you think that one is going to see my phone and pick it for me? You needed to have seen him. Hey God, I need my phone. I need my phone. What kind of problem is this now? What is all this one? What am I going to do?
Okay, Susie, do you remember where you took the bus from?
Yes, I do. Why?
You can just drive there tomorrow. Maybe you'll see them. You never can tell.
In this Lagos, you know how crazy this city can be. So you think that someone is going to pick a phone like that and keep it for the owner?
But you never can tell. Now just try.
God. What kind of day is this? What kind of day is
Sorry.
this? Ah! Oh God, where are they? Where are they, God? This. Jesus.
Smolly, how far? Give me that money, I'll come over here. Give me the money now. Say you the wine me.
How far now? But see the app, why they buy 300? You for your go buy bus, make they pay yourself 300 naira now. Which are they talk?
Boy, I don't get problem with you. I beg, give me the money, I'll come over here. You say, boy, they do like saying, now today you come Lagos. Load one load for you yesterday, give me the money.
Which load? Wetin dey worry you? Something dey worry you for? Just dey sharp because of 300 naira. 300 naira, I ask you one question. You give us 300 naira to keep for you.
Smolly, you get mad, they follow me talk like this. You dey mad? I mean, you dey craze. Small picture like you.
Agree. Small pin charger where they enter your eye, abi? Small pin charger. Oh, so now because of say I no follow you enter corner yesterday, now be this one where you want enter boy body. They mad.
Nah boy, I dey look. If not because I'm boy, if not because I'm boy. What do you do?
I'm my friends, you want to you want die.
I'm sorry now. I'm sorry.
Take Anna.
I'm sorry.
So you sabi sorry.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
If your child just cast small sound like this, you mad.
Aboy,
wait. See am.
no police, aboy.
I take Nigerian your mama.
Where this guy?
Excuse me, driver. Hey, you. Sorry, please.
I mean they call you.
Sorry, please. See, I think I forgot my phone in your bus, please.
How be you we carry the other day where you dey first say you be lawyer, say you be court of law, say you be wait. Now you dey talk any other day now, abi?
Driver, please.
My name not be driver, Shana boy, but if you go check, see if your phone dey inside bus.
Okay, thank you. Hey God, Jesus. Omo, like, Jesus Christ, like, hey. Why is your bus so filthy? Like, you guys don't clean it. You guys don't clean your bus.
Make I bring broom come for you now. Make you clean them by yourself. You see your phone?
Look, I think I left my phone in this bus. And I did not enter any other vehicle yesterday. I left here, I must have left it here.
Hey. You give us phone? You give us your phone? What's in this one now?
Around the press, your phone all day here. Yes, where you? I won't be this.
Are you joking?
I be dey check you now. You say people go fit dey come here. They don't say whether na your phone.
Yes, it's my phone.
Bring your face. I be dey protect am for you now.
Thank you for nothing.
Baby rubber, not be so now. We be guys now.
I know yours blame you.
What
I
you
no
have?
blame you. You see as you too like woman, abi? You see your eye, na woman body where you dey. Hey, yeah, now make you go find passenger. No, we come for this place.
Come. Smalley. Now driver dey load bus, I be na conductor.
That one concern you. You be like no one make money today. Come here, take it.
Come here, get sense. Yeah, now.
Susie,
Yeah.
I see you got your phone back. This one you're scrubbing your hand as if you got it from the toilet.
See, that stupid bus driver had my phone in his pocket the entire time while he was fighting some touts.
Did he break it?
No, he didn't. But then instead of him to give me back my phone, he asked me to go search for the phone inside his filthy bus. I had to look under nasty seats, torn chairs. Everyone was so dirty. Everyone was just reeking of different kinds of bombs.
Ew.
Jeez. And then he now pulls out the phone from his pocket with this grin on his face. The way I was so irritated, I couldn't even stand because I didn't even understand. Like, why would a guy who fights all over Lagos be toying with my feelings like that? Like, with someone like me? I don't get it. It's not a joke now.
Relax. Maybe he knew you were tense from looking for it. He was just trying to brighten your day.
Oh, really? By making me search through his filthy bus, right? Who knows? I might even caught an infection.
Infection. You rode in that same bus yesterday and nothing happened. You'll be alright. You should be grateful he didn't sell your phone.
I guess.
But hope you were able to tell him thank you.
Thank him for what? No, for what exactly? Listen, look, you know what? I have some petitions to read upstairs, okay? I am just happy that all of this nonsense is over and I don't get to see that stupid bus driver's face and his crazy conductor's face ever again. Good riddance to the both of them.
Okay. At least you're good.
I'm good. This whole nonsense is over. Like,
Sorry.
just tired of this whole Lagos and their nonsense wahala. Ha!
Smalley, you know, say yesterday that guy, he show back like this, he show back with boys. That one not concern me, sha. Tomorrow I'll still go there, I'll go load, because nobody will drive me come over to Lagos. You know, understand? I know they fear anybody, that's what they be. Where you? Let me hear you follow talk. Where they happen?
But shey you know say once you dey F4. And not be just small fuck up oh.
What's here talk?
Shey you carry the phone give that girl? My own be say I wan just know wetin she tell you. When you carry the phone give her like that.
See that phone matter. What's there?
Yes nah. We can't talk about am. Person wey forget phone inside down for tell you say e dey important to am. Omo here na street oh. If you lose guard, we run you street. Sharp.
Smalley, may I ask you a question? You be thief.
Which kind smelling top be that
Now,
one?
good
Nah?
question I ask you now, you be thief. Because why you dey vex say person come pick their phone? You don't see that kind of phone for your life before.
But me no insult me oh.
Now, good question I ask you now. You never see that kind of phone. Why you go dey vex say person come pick their phone? May I dey fear you now? If I leave you, go send me keep the change. Wetin dey sup?
Now you get your mouth. If you like run am anyhow. Nah. As you carry phone give her now, she tell you thank you. Abi she give you anything? Nothing, Abi. You dey here, they run mouth. Center boy.
You know wetin Smalley, Like say me and you go dey plan for our loading tomorrow because if you continue like me and you go dey fight. I don't see am for your car. I don't know wetin concern you. Concern for when not be your own. You go wan sell am. If I leave you for this house, you comot this house now. Because if I leave, you go sell this room when I comot. You know wetin you dey right o. That girl no tell me thank you. She dey fuck up.
No blame you. Something wey for you stock house like this.
You be thief, yeah?
They dey talk that talk oh.
No
Listen, they are not just going to believe you because I do. All right, you know what? We're going to have a chat before your court date, okay? Listen, I have handled worse, okay? Don't worry. All right. See you Monday then.
What did this one do now?
What didn't they do? Another murder. But then the police got a confession out of him under duress in less than 24 hours with no lawyer present.
So what are you going to do about it?
I'm just going to file for a suppression of the confession because due process wasn't followed, so that shouldn't be an issue. I think that's going to give me enough time to understand what's going on with the case. Just tired.
Susie?
Yeah.
Are you okay though?
Babes, to be honest with you, I'm not. I'm thinking about moving my office space to somewhere closer to the house. Maybe a smaller space so that I can save cost and time because I'm just drained.
Finally, Lagos stress catches up with Madam Strong Woman.
Leave me alone, Joe, I beg. Well, let me just get back to this petition and see what's going on here.
Okay.
Call it tonight.
That's all right. I just wanted to say hi to you.
Thank you. All right, babes.
Night,
Thank
night.
you. Night.
Not to overthink things, okay?
My dear. Thanks.
Yep.
All right. Babes, you will not imagine this stupid car is out to disgrace me again, but God is not going to allow it. It did not break down per se, but it was showing signs of it, so I just gave it to a mechanic. So I'm just trying to walk home right now. Yeah. Please, sorry, I don't want any problems, okay? I'm just going my way.
She dey speak English, oh. What dey speak English for? Okay, where they go? Why they rush like that? I get the area.
Please, I don't want any problems. Please, let me just...
Come now, don't they follow you, they talk small. Like say,
They can't see this area, now we get them until they come here, they come out. Without our notice, you understand?
Please, I don't want...
Bring this back up first.
Wait. Please.
Sure?
Please.
You don't want to release?
Hey!
I release back, though.
Okay, they time. Wait till they happen now.
That boy,
Wait, they stop now. What they do? Alpha, me not free, I mean not press.
Concern you for this matter.
Hey, can you keep quiet? Me not press. Let me get this big. Come out.
So, na time will be this.
Come out here. I don't care anyone when they call you. I mean, I come out first. Press.
we need to come out for your matter.
Okay, they press. I say me not press. Here till they happen. Hey, see this one. Hey, you. What if you say you did? And your pass be this. Just they walk up and down. Just the whole phone. Not get bodyguard. Now your palo be this. What did they happen?
Look, I was handling everything just fine. I didn't ask for your help.
Why not when you see me on your mouth, they sharp? If I not call your now, they will naked you for ground now. They will collect all your wig. You know, if you take tank, you know, if you come on your mat.
Thank you, I guess.
You dey guess. I don't blame you. Now my fault. Now my fault say I help you. When you see me, you just they talk anyhow. But see you just now, you know, people talk, you just they shake like person will catch a husband for hotel. No one. I not talk anything. Waiting.
Wait. I'm wondering, like, you could have even planned this whole thing with them and then you decided to change your mind and come midway to play a hero, right? That's how you lots behave around here, right? That's how you guys behave. You think I don't know? That's how you guys behave.
Hey, I don't shop this. Now this money they tell me be this now. Now me not dey mind my business now. I don't blame you. No wahala. Next time they will take all your pints. You know understand? Not why they go now. Oh, I don't mess up. God, I don't mess up.
Susie, this way you're looking stressed. Don't tell me Lagos has shown you another level of shaggy.
You see that guy is mad. I swear. You will not believe it. Like, I was just on my own, walking, minding my business. I was even on the phone with you. Then all of a sudden, two touts out of nowhere just jumped in front of me, trying to take my phone and my bag away from me.
Susie, your life is very dramatical.
My darling, when we're doing all of that, you will not believe who appeared out of nowhere. Just guess who appeared.
The police.
Which police? That stupid Yoruba Jackie Chan.
Yoruba Jackie Chan.
The bus driver now. Come on, Ivana now. Concentrate on the story now. Concentrate. Come on.
Susie, I'm concentrating, but how am I supposed to know who Yoruba Jackie Chan is?
The bus driver who took my phone, he came there, he chased them away, and then he now stood there expecting me to give him an applause. Can you imagine?
Wait, hold on, I'm confused here. So, why are you angry at the bus driver and not the thieves?
Well, because he sent them. Isn't it obvious?
I don't understand.
Wait. Now, think about this.
Okay.
He stole my phone from the boss. Then he gave it back to me. So most likely, he's probably regretting it. So he sent those guys to come and collect the phone back from me.
And somehow he was in all of this. How does that even make sense?
Ivana, what do you want me to say? He just appeared out of nowhere. Like, what? I don't know. Maybe he wants to be in my good books or something. What do you want me to say?
Well, you should have just said thank you and move on.
Wait, hold on, Ivana. So after everything I just explained to you right now, you're still taking his sides? Really?
Not like I'm taking anybody's side. Just tired of the both of you. Please go inside, go and rest.
See, I'm just sick and tired of this guy. Like, he just keeps embarrassing me out of nowhere. I don't know, like, babes, let me, I'll be right back, Rick. I'm tired. This guy, I don't know.
Boy, why you dey worry? Disturb this compound with this stuff. What's they worry you? Off that radio now.
Who be this one? I don't have one side where they go, Joe.
I dey my side. Now your music, follow me, come my side. Off this thing, I go market now. My head dey bang.
Your head dey bang. And because your husband never show back, now your entire body dey pepper you, not be so.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? Now I don't know when you disturb person for middle of night. Since I don't hear you now. What thing? I'm gonna make ta. You go I'm gonna make dogs sound.
You be fool! Big fool! Now you be fool!
Not be speak for my body now. I'm not gonna be single man for copper. When they make noise, I'm gonna do I'm not gonna make they question your shame. No.
Boy, if you not off this thing now, go pour water put.
If you pour water put, where they will go pick you, your husband not fit find you for them.
Boy!
You tell I talk. No fit find you. Try am.
You know the shame. You know the shame. You dey jobless. Your mates they work. You dey house. You just useless yourself. Mumu. Now this time, driver they dey house. Now this time.
Okay. You where your husband they work morning till night. Not be saying you not finish me as small Gary. Now you don't finish me. Every time you dey beg Gary don't finish. When my Gary dey. What you dey find?
See. You off this musical. I dey tell you now. I dey tell you make I not punish you for this. I go tell you. I don't tell you finish. I go put water for that radio. You go see am.
Go try now. I beg you, nobody invest me for this compound, though.
Boy, you know since I no give me them cheat us that day, nobody come meet us today. No be you I dey talk to. Wetin happen now? Since you come up for afternoon, say you won't go collect injection, I be waiting. I saw you just come by the do face.
You know say they talk rubbish.
They beat you.
You know say they talk rubbish.
I don't understand.
So they tell you say they beat me for Lagos, you go believe.
I just question I ask you. No. Yeah, wetin happen? Talk.
You believe say as I go find wetin go cure my belly. Now I can see baby rubber for road.
Lawyer.
I dey tell you now. No say so okay auntie. They both obtain now. Now Paku there come out too. No she talk. Tell say na me say na come.
True.
I dey tell you.
Wait, she talk say na you gather bro to take takula.
That would pay me there. Like say na only bad thing person fit do.
Anyway, Shana, you are blamed. Because if like say you just focus on that belly where they pay you go take your go rabina injection where you won't go take. If you not enter this one now, I don't know the day where you join police work.
You see one not like you. So what you tell you? Tell me say I go to Ekelebe.
If he be now.
Be like say you not get sense. I tell you what happen. See, that's it. It pay me. I don't like that one she tell me.
May he pay you enter your boma rabbit they call her. Because wetin be this? You see matter dey happen. It's not where you go shook head enter the other side, you go shook head enter. Wetin happen? May you learn how to mind your business. Person wey don insult you before, now you still dey go help. Woo! You don hear am now. Now you hire her, bro. You benefit. Abeg shop. You be like, no, see, respect yourself. No finish that food, though. Ma count this money sharp. No enter am. I don't understand.
This person I just insult for this kind of just now. Why you make noise? Why God they punish me for this kind of money? What I do? So this one is sleep like dead body. Goats. Not the year we see the happen.
Madam.
Oh, neighbor now. Some of us get boss to load for money now.
Madam, make dry rice and put banga. Yes, banga. Yeah, one pomo. Yeah, una change you.
He said that he didn't kill anybody. So how come the CCTV camera went off just before he entered? And then he said that he was not in good terms with her. But then how come he called her 5 times 2 days before she died? This case is driving me crazy. Like, I need to really analyze this thing again. Let me watch this thing.
See, Auntie, when you are putting the soup here, I don't want too much oil, please. Yes.
Baby Robert, have fun. Now you buy food now.
I don't understand. Like, what is your problem? Where I buy my food is none of your business. I don't have time for this madness today. Did you hear me?
Eh?
Look, why are you always bumping into me, though?
Bump into you. I mean, are you they train me? What you do for you? Next you talk say I don't send boys see they find you. Eh?
Look, I don't have the patience to deal with all of this right now. Do you hear me? Just leave me alone.
So wetin you say to find here? Wetin carry you come here? So now here you dey buy food now, eh? Not be your mates they go make a chicken. I been a chicken republic they buy food. Sure, we don't give your phone. Wetin be your problem?
Auntie, first of all, the first thing you need to do is mind your business. Always appearing everywhere like bad network. What is your problem?
This one they create. I be one that
Small, easy now. I never reach to fight. Easy. Don't worry.
Please, can you just hurry up? Just keep the change, okay? Give me the food. I need to leave this place before my IQ drops, please.
Let me
Please. What is it now?
As you know, if you look, you need.
Please, I
what
beg.
did happen?
Please, ma.
You're not supposed to accept new customers.
Smally, you calm down. I come. Baby Robert, have fun now. Hold on. I'll follow you talk now.
Listen.
Hold on.
Listen, if you've come here to continue with your circles, just find another audience.
So you they call me monkey, Abby. I wait till they call me. I just follow you playing. I don't know say Smally the verse like that. Now you calm down now.
Well, you better tell her to stay out of my way. She's always attacking me. I don't even have to talk to her first. Tell her I don't fight people who shout at bus stops. Just tell her that.
What did you just talk? So you they look us less, Abby. So you dey feel say people where they wear suit, they get more dignity past us, abi?
Look, I didn't mean...
I'll tell you now, me and Smolly, they wake up every day by 4 a.m. with they run Lagos. Every time I see you, they raise shoulder. Now, even when I help you for shoot the other day, they do like say, who not get foundation. Why they do like that?
See, sorry, I didn't mean it.
Now, so you mean, Anjo? You where be say, person go back, person they will call meet you. You call, take that, you call kid out of prison. Not so you they do, not be your work be that.
I said I am sorry.
You better they sorry, oh. Nah, sir, you better sorry. What you they talk? They say no work na small one. No they look person less, oh. Nah, sir, no they insult someone, no they insult my hustle. Every legit also na hustle, you understand?
Okay, Abu, I'm very sorry. Excuse me.
No they insult Smolly next time, oh. So you they look us less, abi? So you they feel say people where they wear suit, they get more dignity past us, abi? Every time I see you, they raise shoulder. Now, even when I help you for shoot the other day, they do like say, who not get foundation. Why they do like that?
Wait. How can this guy talk to me like this? Like he doesn't even know me. Like how dare he talk to me like that? He was even yelling at me for calling his conductor names. While he even called me names. Kai, Susie, and you even apologized.
Nah, sir, you better sorry. What you they talk? They say no work na small one. No they look person less, oh.
What if he didn't send those boys? What does it matter anyway? But what if he didn't send them? Susie, just forget about this whole thing, Joe. Forget about it. Oh, stop calling me. Stop calling me if you're not ready to be honest. This guy should stop calling me.
Smolly, how far now? What's it up? I don't work, go come back. I don't call see my conductor again. What's it happen? I go to drive bus without conductor now. I been because I follow baby Robert go talk.
Boy, that one on your business, oh. Nothing concern me.
Hey. Smolly, now will they follow you they talk? Why they just say na breeze they follow you now? What's it happen?
Boy, as you see me here so, I don't be any person backup person. You dey hear me? I don't be your backup person. If you won't go chase baby robber, follow and they go chase Sam.
Why?
But not just worry me. You dey hear me?
Why they talk like that now? You're not my guy now. Why you my person now? Why you talk
I be
like
your
that?
person.
Nah.
Boy, I be your person. Yet you dey chase that baby robber one no understand. Person will not rate you. Woman, when if you leave me and I'ma go boss in yellow teeth come out.
Calm down now. No say as you my person like this, I not gonna make anything happen to you. Now why I say me you calm down, go full on and talk. You know say that woman a lawyer. Any small thing what you do now, you don't enter inside Sanko. You know how stance they be. Now why I don't want make you boss at it now. That's what they do.
Boy. Next time, you need to chase person we no rate you. That woman no rate you. Person where they look you like person where carry shit for body.
So if I carry shit for body like this, imagine say I go give shit not there. I said fine.
Come on. Fine, so now they worry you for age. They deceive you. I beg come on there. Boy, stop it.
Advice for me. Yeah.
See, next time.
After the next like man, Joe, I go buy you soya for Junction later, Come on there, Joe.
Susie.
Yeah?
A penny for your thoughts?
Ivana, I've been thinking a lot.
Okay. Don't tell me it's about what happened earlier, because you were wrong too. You insinuated you were better than them.
No, it's really not about that. The thing is, I just keep seeing these people everywhere and it just pisses me off. They make me act out of context every time. Can you imagine me just screaming at someone in the middle of the road just like that?
Susie.
No, like, babes, I've really been thinking about this entire thing and I'm just asking myself, like, what would I have done if this girl had raised her hand on me?
Call the police.
Exactly. But I did not even think about that. I was going to fight that babe. Like, I was really going to fight her out there in public just like that.
Susie, let me ask you a question. Why did you go there to buy food? You know that is their area and you might more likely bump into them. But yet, you still went there.
Excuse me? Wait, my favorite restaurant was not in that direction. And I saw people queue up there earlier on buying food, so I decided to try it out. Nothing else.
Okay. You insist it's annoying. Yet, you create a situation where seeing him will be easy. You need to think about it now. That's suspicious. But I'm saying the truth now.
Nana, please.
You don't want trouble. Why did you go there?
So you dey say people where they wear suit, they get more dignity past us, abi?
Goodness. Maybe I shouldn't have said what I said. That was rude. I mean, maybe he didn't send those guys after me. But what if he did send them? This entire thing is just so confusing. Oh, God. Oh, I just hate that he's even in my head right now. I don't know why this guy's in my head. I don't understand why he's in my head right now. God, I hate looking like the bad person. I think I know what I'm going to do. I know I am not doing this because I like him. No, I am doing this because I am an adult. Because adults apologize when they are wrong. Okay, and then after that is done, we go our separate ways. We don't have to cross paths ever again. Right? Hey God, look at me now. Why am I even talking to myself? What kind of behavior is this now all of a sudden? Why am I talking to myself? Susie, why are you talking to yourself? Why are you talking to yourself?
Susie, are you okay? Very strange. I swear, I heard her talking.
Ah boy, today you wise are you? Today you wise? No. Today you get power, you don't fight everybody for you. Even argue wey get back, still dey fight them, abi.
Yeah, and then I me they follow talk.
I dey follow talk now. That killing, I know say we wan gba one or two things for hand. Today you wise abi?
Wahala, make police come dey pack us tomorrow. Who be that? Who dey fight? I know the police come dey arrest us tomorrow. Wetin dey happen for here? Who be this? Boy. Stand up. Wetin What you do?
Neighbor, bring me now.
My friend, shut up your mouth. How they beat you like small pikin? Be like brown they soak for water. Stand up. Stand up.
Oh God, leave me now. I'm gonna make your husband. Leave me.
How they beat you like small pikin?
How far now? How you be?
Boy, kilo shele, wetin happen now? Wetin happen to you? Who do you like this?
No, this, what's they call them? This bastards.
This of you. Don't say no, sit down on top of my phone like this.
Taiwan kid, they be the verse for me based on what's happened. Say I spoil their parole for this baby rubber matter.
Which kind of wahala be this one now? Eh? I mean, they craze me. Hey. So they feel say they no go waka this area again, abi? Hey, they no worry. You know, say I need to like me person, they touch you.
Softly now. You don't they talk like this money one. No, easy. They okay.
God. Oh yeah. May you try like that now. You sure? If you don't,
I did okay, yes. Yeah. Oh my, I don't know what's
hey, so no get sense so. Eh? You see wetin dey vex me, eh? Now the fact wey be say even the person wey make you enter this business so after you return the phone na rubbish they tell you.
Sorry, nah.
Who they tell sorry? Now no be you. Eh. Sorry. Eh? Ah wow.
Softly, nah.
Boy, calm down now. No be man you be. Sorry. Now you go enter problem now.
Yeah, see your suya for there.
Oh, free that thing. Eh? See as everywhere just
Yeah.
boy, calm down now.
You dey pay now.
Yeah, sorry. You know they like when person they do you like this. Sorry. Now only hear them punch. Abi other places there.
I go let it pay me.
Your belly.
Yeah.
Go reggae that one later. Sorry. Sorry.
I hope this is the right place because I don't trust these boys and their directions. Let me just try.
I don't understand. Baby robber, what did you carry you come this place this early momo? Eh? What did they find for here? How you take even find our place? You be like say that your wish is strong past as I've been seeing.
Look, I asked around the bus stop. It seems you guys are popular in the area, so that's how I got to find out where you guys live.
Oh yeah, what did carry you come here? Because the last time I checked, me and you not be friends. So what did bring you here?
I came to see a boy. I brought something and I wanted to apologize.
Apologize? Eh? Oh, you want to apologize for the beating when you shop last night?
I don't understand. What beating are you talking about? What happened?
What happened? Hey, oh nah, you want to show say you care nah? Eh? When you give you phone, when you help save you from those mad dogs who beat her last night, you dey talk nonsense.
Wait.
Now you dey come here. You get mind though?
See, I swear, I don't know about any of that, okay? I don't even know all of this happened. I swear.
Baby robber, see me I tell you, if you want me get peace of mind like this, eh? Carry your 2 left leg, dey waka. I don't want to see you here.
Look, I'm not here to fight you. I just want to see him. That's it, please.
Hey, this way you don't want me, abi? Eh? See, anything where you dey keep for that your mind like this, that idea where you dey keep for your mind, eh? Throw away am. Rinse and comot. If you dey creep feelings inside that your chest where you get there, carry slippers, knock am, make you die.
Hey, please. I'm not here for any of that, I beg. I don't want any drama. Do you hear me? I just want to see him and...
See and talk wetin? Sorry, abi? Shey na sorry you wan talk? You don't talk. I don't hear am. I go pass am. Oh yeah, they move. Abobi, come on for this place now. They go. I want to say sorry. May God punish you. We need that way. Bastard.
How can I let this girl talk to me like this? How? You know what? Susie, just calm down. Self-control. You can't go about causing a scene because of a man. But wait. If he was beaten because of me, don't I have to do something? Don't I have to owe it to him to help him? Okay. Let's see. Look for a pharmacy close by. Let me see. Let me check if there's a pharmacy close by. Pharmacy close by, pharmacy close by. Come on. Okay, got it. All right. No, let me just put the... Okay.
And Taiwo, then get luck, oh. Eh? Then get luck, say then do this nonsense, so then do finish, pack come up for the area. Na Lagos and still there now, we go still jam. And when we jam, no wahala. One day for the thief, the other days for the owner. And then don't worry. Hey. This guy's,
boy.
What do you do for her?
I'm very sorry about how I spoke to you the last time. And I didn't know that they beat you up.
Who tells you they beat me?
I was here earlier and Smolly asked me to leave. I brought you some groceries and some painkillers.
Thank you.
If you don't mind, we can go inside and talk, or we could just talk out here. It depends on you.
Thank you. Now if you go, I'm going to go.
Okay.
Oh, my baby Robert, thank you.
Welcome.
You know, say that your phone, I not even be one pick up for my boss that time. You know, say phone
Sorry.
phone they put drivers like me, they put us inside trouble well.
Really? How?
Yes, now. You go pick phone. Person go come back for the phone. He say whether driver wants if the phone. Because they accuse person wrongly up and down.
Look, thank you. Thank you very, very much. I really appreciate it. And I'm sorry for what I said yesterday. I shouldn't have said that. Sorry.
That will not be anything now. You know, say person like me now, people not too they believe what we they talk. Now why this kind of things they happen? But as you see me like this now, my life never soft like that. So you see, when I small, even as I package like this, when I small, my part die.
So sorry to hear that.
That will not be anything now. Now so me and Smalley start our boss business.
Wait, you have known her for that long?
That one is my person now. I'm a strong OG be that. I'm a girl, not be play.
Okay.
You see, sometimes for this job where we there, not because I like to dey shout, but now if we dey shout, now people dey hear us. But for Smalley matter now, I don't even need shout. I don't need do too much. She just know as I did. She just know my matter. You don't understand. And so two of us all be for a while.
See, you and I are similar in some ways. My father died when I was in my 200 level. He was the only one that believed that I would become a lawyer someday. And now that I made it, he's not here to witness it all.
You know, say I say that man could be proud of you wherever he did. He go dey look you, cheers go dey swear, go happy say he picking a lawyer because he picking a good lawyer.
How?
Understand?
Wait, how sure of that are you? I mean, you don't even know me that well.
I tell you as it dey be now. You know what I hear? Hey, Smalley fan.
I know you also understand you, our boy. Wetin be this one? After them pane beat you like thief finish because of this kele wey dey here. I mean, I no fit even sleep for night. You allow her enter this house.
Smalley, calm down.
No, you tell me to calm down. Which one be calm down? And you, baby rubber, wetin you see dey sit down here dey do? Oh yeah, they waka comot for here. Wetin dey do so? They comot for here.
I say may you calm down. You know the hear word. Wetin dey happen?
You want me walk? Wetin be this one? See, a boy, I know they like this thing, oh. I know they like him. Which kind of play be this one?
Why you always overacting? Wetin dey happen?
Yes. Baby rubber, yes, no be how they talk so.
What is it? Is it not enough?
You say?
I said, is it not enough? You go around walking and puffing like you own Lagos. What is it? Find someone and drink water and rest. What is it?
Imagine.
Hey, listen to me. Look, I've been trying to avoid you, but you seem to have problems with whatever thing I do. So you better just leave me alone, let me breathe. What is it?
You know my issue be say since you enter our life, now so one problem or the other. So now they warn you, make you come out. Not even near this house again. You dey hear me?
Shanti, hey, I better be quiet. You cannot command me in this life or even in the next. Do you hear me? I came here and apologized to him, so I owe you nothing. So you better stay away from me.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you, baby rubber. Now because you go school, Abi. Because you be lawyer. Where?
Smalley. Since why is that the be a law, mama? Person come here for peace talk. You dey full one they talk anyhow. Why? Why they be like
peace talk? About you say peace. Now the same peace where they make you limp like this, Abi? Which peace where we don't get since that girl enter our downfall?
No, it's the verse you. And because I not like you when you say her phone. Now because I no agree make you say her phone, now you got the verse. You not get right. See, why
I get right. No talk that talk where they talk so. I get right. Now me dey with you, they hustle for street since day one. Now me get your back. Eh? All of a sudden, that's baby lawyer. From nowhere, that baby lawyer. Eh? Where they talk rubbish about your hustle. Where they see your hustle like dirty. Just appear and now be bad person.
I don't tell you say you too harsh. You too harsh. You too dey overdo things.
Omo, I harsh because I care about you. I harsh because I dey tell you true. If anything happen to you right now me go dey run up and down. She don't go even near here. You dey hear me?
I don't tell you. Smally, you too do. You too harsh. Not supposed to follow on the talk like that. I don't tell you.
I too do.
Yes.
I too do, Abi.
You put in work, you put in time, you put in sweat, but you really can't get it right. That's when you know the actions are just not enough to pass the real message. These I might not say, but deep down in my heart I love you.
Hello?
Hello?
A boy?
Nah, boy, they talk.
Is everything okay? Is it your body pains? What is... Wait. Hold on, wait. How did you get my number?
Man, I be like say you forget your ID card. You get your address and your number on top here.
Oh my goodness. It seems I've made it a habit to be losing things around you. You know what? Don't worry. I'm going to come over and collect it, okay?
Sure? No need, nah.
I don't understand. What do you mean by no need?
No, I'll carry the car. Come meet you. Don't worry.
No, listen. You don't have to do that, okay? You're in pain and you need to rest and heal. Don't worry. I'm going to come over there and...
Bam, I'll carry the car. Come meet you. Don't worry.
We are two from the same world, fighting against all odds, been through thick and thin. So inseparable. For sure it would break me.
Babes, our boy is on his way here.
I don't understand. Isn't that where you just came from?
Yeah, I know. It turns out like I must have dropped my ID card over there, so he's coming over here to give it back to me.
Eh?
Yeah. Is there anything in the fridge to eat that I can offer to him or anything like that?
Susie, relax.
What?
Just relax. You're very tensed. If there's nothing in the fridge, you can maybe invite him for lunch or dinner or something. You know, just be calm, right? Just relax yourself, relax.
Hey, Ivana, like, honestly, what is wrong with me? Like, I don't understand what is going on with me because some days ago, I just hated seeing this guy, and then now all of a sudden I'm being all worked up, worried about him coming over here, thinking about what he's going to eat, what I'll offer him. Goodness, am I not a finished person like this, Ivana?
You mess more. You're not a finished person, but mess more.
Not okay.
Because you just...
okay. Let me go check what's in the fridge.
There's nothing in the fridge.
And then I will figure something out.
Okay.
Play make sense, son. I asked me this.
Yes.
Sure.
Have a seat. Why are you looking surprised?
You know, so why the reason amongst the people when God bless, and bless say God bless you, bless say use two and they give you blessing. Understand? These has make sense, I swear.
Come on, you're blessed as well.
I think they blessed. That's why they manage where be say my neighbor they use that they disturb me morning and night. I mean the boss why they manage with smally. I beg it and so I put all blessings. Man they also take.
Well, you're a good person, so I'm sure things are going to be better for you in no time.
You mean that? Mm-hmm. Thank you.
So aside from driving, what else do you do?
You see the area where they stay. You get many things when men feel do, but as for me, I all like to do inside with small limo, you chill. Understand? The drive bus not easy, so I like to do sleep busy tomorrow. For morning and everybody get that strength, move, you understand? I say you'll be for Udo. No man. Before I forget what you bring me call yourself, ma give you your card now. You're fall for my floor, you're saying you're high from one corner now pick up. I say man go deliver.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I didn't
No man, I made it not go lock you outside for that your chambers.
Thank you.
Master.
Let me get you something to drink, okay? I will be right back. Okay.
How does it feel when you love someone, but they really can't see it the way it is? You put in work, you put in time, you put in sweat, but you really can't get it right. That's when you know the actions are just not enough to pass the real message. These I might not say, but deep down in my heart I love you with everything in me. These I might not say, but deep down in my heart I love you with everything in me.
It's okay. I was just trying to apply an ointment to your wound. It's just me, I'm sorry. I just want to apply something to your wound. Sorry.
Bless how would it go? Baby, don't crash.
No.
How it go? Ask?
No, please, listen, let me take care of you, okay? Given that all of this happened because of me.
No. The daughter, I'm out to go ask.
I insist. Okay, and plus, you need to rest. You were snoring a little while ago, and that shows that you're really tired. So please, just stay back and rest, okay?
Don't tire us, man. I feel like, man, you rest, my brother.
Okay. What is wrong with me?
How does it feel when you love someone, but they really can't see it the way it is? You put in work, you put in time, you put in sweat, but you really can't get it right. That's when you know the actions are just not enough to pass the real message. These I might not say, but deep down in my heart I love you with everything in me. These I might not say, but deep down in my heart I love you with everything in me. We are two from the same world, fighting against our odds, been through thick and thin, so inseparable. For sure it would break me to see you in the arms of another. I know she cares, but I care more. I know she loves, but I love more. I know she knows you, but I know you more.
What's up?
I'm here.
Hey,
Just working all.
okay.
But you know what? Now that you are here, I need to talk to you about something.
Okay.
Look, I know this might seem, somehow, but I think that I'm beginning to catch feelings for our boy.
Eh?
I know. I don't know how because he annoys me and he is so loud, but there's just something.
Something is wrong with your head.
I am serious.
No, me, I'm not serious. That guy drives down for you, a lawyer. What on earth are you even talking about? You guys are 2 worlds apart.
I know. I spoke to him today and I just realized that there is no way he could have sent those touts.
You guys keep unlocking new levels of surprise every day.
Look, there's just something. Like, when he's calm, or when you're talking to him, there's just this kind of difference in him. Like, he's even sweet. But you see that Smalley that is always by his side. Like, that girl, like, I don't even understand. She hates me so much. I think that she has feelings for him. No, like, honestly, because whenever I'm around there, she just looks at me with this hatred of a woman who is marking her territory.
What are you expecting? They do business together. They live together. Wait, are you thinking there's a possibility she would not be in love with him? Susie, now, tell me you're joking.
I just don't know.
You don't know? You've apologized to him, right?
Yeah.
Then let it go. Don't even think about it. Just act like nothing happened. Do you understand? Don't think about it at all. You see that word? It's not for you. This is your world. How can you be catching feelings for Danfo Jive? Ha! That kind of feelings, please, I beg, think it twice, because it doesn't work.
Alpha. I'll go. Hold it, ready, go. Smalley.
Smalley. Smalley. Smalley. Oh, what is get there now? Smalley. Smalley. Hey, so where you? You don't see Smalley?
Which kind of stupid question you ask me? Eh? She doesn't say your life don't bend. Now she waka dey go.
I say not today. I know say you not get sense.
Now they punch
I
me.
say small, remember. But like say go, don't show up your sense. You don't see Smalley?
Which kind of stupid question? You put money for my head. My friend carry your bend life go find
Where
Smalley. Your papa waka. Yeah, Smalley put money for my head. Smalley kill you for there.
Now your husband I even blames and not be you. Good. Smalley. Let's get going now. Jesus. Hello.
Hey, boy, are you home?
I won't go out solo. What did it happen?
Wait, I thought you would be resting at home.
Really not gonna understand. Say I had the rest because of all that bomb. Everywhere good.
Yeah, I called because the other day when you came over, I didn't really offer you much. So I'd like for you to come over.
I know. The one where you don't do that, okay. Plus, I suppose go load bus for
Wait, hold on. You mean you want to go out there with your body pains and all of that to go and hustle with the boss? Listen, I don't think you should do that. Just come over, okay? And moreover, I could, pay you for today, for today's worth of all the rights that you're supposed to have or something like that, if that works. Is that okay? Okay. All right, see you soon. Okay, let me get this.
You do well. No. You go free my glass. I see the shark the water.
Okay.
Yeah, no. Thank you. That will go well.
I'm sure that your girlfriend is going to be upset with you later today. Sorry about that.
Look at that. Oh, Smalley. No, not my girl be that. Don't be my girlfriend.
Really?
Yeah, no. Yeah, Smalley na my family be that. How do they call her? I be a big bra. She my how do say na my least sis. You understand?
Are you sure that she sees you the same way?
I don't worry about Smalley. Na my girl be that. Not till they happen.
Okay. You know that there was something you said to me the other day.
But I'll tell you many things, so you tell me which one.
You said that people like me take bribes to, cover up for someone who has committed murder.
Now that one you see the reason. I know me now. I just be say you tell me something when touch me now to tell you something when pinch shoot back.
You're actually right.
Yeah.
There are some lawyers who collect money to defend very, very terrible criminals and keep them out of prison. Because, to be honest, that's the nature of our job.
So, you want to tell me say you they follow for all those kind of things?
Tell you a little story. There was this very wealthy man who accused my father of stealing a very huge sum of money from him. He was lying. He took my father's land, the money he had, basically everything. Like, the heartbreak led to my father's death. And then the woman who defended the wealthy man came back later to plead with us after my father's passing.
I'm not me for break here though, not break here. How's it looking?
I chose to become a lawyer instead. So you see, there are some lawyers out there, some good lawyers, who don't defend guilty people. That's what I do. Just like there are some drivers who would pick up a passenger's phone and choose to return it back to them.
Say I reason now, man. My mind be tell me say you be a good person. Maybe now why not say your phone. Also, I did look you and you find that.
You said fine.
Thank you.
How does it feel when you love someone, but they really can see it the way it is?
Small have fun now. What did they happen? Buy your favorite suya.
You put in time.
What did happen?
But you really can get it right.
Not be here to follow talk. What did happen?
You know, the actions are just not enough.
Boy,
To pass the real message.
you don't dey fall for baby rubber. I want just know whether I dey deceive myself.
Ways I might not say.
Because two of una no match at all. But me, I dey here. I sabi you front and back.
Ways I might not say.
Just let me know if you want her. Make her comot this thing from my chest.
Now why you dey do like that? You know say you not my G now. You not my guy. You know say I not get sister, we be family members. I not get sisters. You enter, now you feel the space. We be guys now.
We are two from the same world.
Me,
Fighting against all
your sister.
been through.
Abo, you dey craze ni? Eh? You no sabi how many pikin your mama born for us?
So it's sister. For sure it would break me to see you in the arms of another. I know she cares, but I can't more. I know she loves,
Susie, hey.
but I love more.
I'm okay. Susie, this one you're smiling sheepishly. Did anything happen between the two of you?
Ivana!
What?
Oh my God.
Does you know that is dying for him? See, Susie, let me tell you. If that guy used his rough hand and handle you, your eye will see something.
Ivana, you are just too much.
Just what? You're an adult. Just wait.
Okay. Well, the connection is growing, steadily. We've been spending some time with each other. We talk about stuff, and yeah, he's really cool. He's a cool person. Weird, right?
Weird is an understatement.
And aside you, I've never really told anyone else about my father. But today I did.
Susie, you just have to be careful. I'm just looking out for you. No matter how this guy makes you happy, I don't see any direction.
You know what, let me go upstairs and Just relax a bit.
Susie, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
No. It's fine actually. Okay.
I'm just worried about you.
It's okay. All right.
Shit.
Hello, boy. It's you, and it's late.
Alpha, why you never sleep? Person don't call you, say, may you help them. Person wear thief.
Why? Wait, do you want to give me a job, or do you want me to defend you?
See how this life no balance. People be your day outside, they do normal hustle, they know blow. Or other person go your day, you can one side, your carry, your pop.
Look, there is really no formula to all these things, okay? But always remember that there is a reward for those who hustle right. Look, sometimes these things may not happen as fast as you want it to, but they eventually happen, okay? But you don't have to forget about the peace of mind it comes with it. You just have to be hardworking.
Correct. You know, say you been talk, say, after what you do your pillar, you not go ever collect bribe. I just want to know, you don't ever resist that decision.
No. But there are a few things that I do regret. Like when I judge people too quickly, or when I unknowingly look down on others. Yeah. But what about you? Are there things that you regret?
Oh, wow. See, if you get one thing what I regret, it will be the way people they see me. People not they see me the way they see them. Don't say I get younger ones now. So they are like this, I don't finish secondary school, but that boss where they drive. Now wait till you help them, man train them through university. As they come finish now, because see small change. Because say I be useless bus driver. They're not gonna raising my side again. But when I did drive that bus, when I was carried there at university at secondary school and they trained there, nobody they complain say I be useless driver at that time.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I didn't know about that.
Not be anything. Nobody know what tomorrow go bring. I'll be good person. I else they hope say good go find me.
Listen, you see all these things will soon become a story to you someday. I know people who have made something out of their lives from driving buses. People who have expanded their lives, built houses, bought cars, and are living a good life. Boy, you are hardworking, and these too can be your story someday if you just put your mind to it.
Hey, you the third down because you believe me, be the third down because you just want me my body to sweet me. You know, say Smalley they tell me.
The same way you worked really hard by using this bus driving to make something out of your siblings' lives is the same effort you can put into this bus driving that you've been doing to do it for yourself. Okay? Just put your mind to it and everything is going to be okay. And listen to me. I am rooting for you, boy. I really am.
Not be lie. You know it's not be lie. I don't need anybody, not be lie. But myself need. Not be lie. Not anybody, myself I need.
How does it feel when you love someone, but they really can't see it the way it is? You put in work, you put in time, you put in sweat, but you really can't get it right. That's when you know the actions are just not enough to pass the real message.
Oh, which kind of nonsense be this one now? I go to call Smolly, she not go to pick call. No call there. How I can know if she dey okay?
Somali wey you go lock outside here, she go sleep. In the morning, she go come out. In the morning, you come outside, they pretend like say you don't know say you dey lock am outside.
Where you quiet your mouth there? Where you see Smolly sleep for outside?
I don't know.
They talk nonsense.
I don't know. I'm not talking anything.
That's what they do like this. Until they happen.
Susie.
Hey.
Susie, you've been avoiding me all morning. Come on now. I'm your friend though. If I don't tell you the truth, no one will. I want to tell you something. I have just one question to ask you. Let's say you guys get closer, right? Where do you see this going?
Well, he...
Exactly. Nowhere. You're increasingly catching feelings for him. And sometimes feelings ain't enough.
But Ivana, I really like him.
I know. But come on now, babe. You're a lawyer. You've taken and won high-profile cases. That guy, he fights Agbero for change.
Look, he is not just a driver, okay? He's kind. He's funny. He listens.
Anyhow you want to put it, he's still a driver. That's a whole different world. Are you going to show him off to your colleagues? Or are you going to flaunt a loud, handsome driver as your man?
I just want some peace.
You want peace? Then ask yourself, if you respect him without looking down on him, you will not disrespect him. You'll be okay with that boss packed in the house he can afford, and you will live in it. Abba. And your love will be unwavering. Then you're good to go.
Ivana.
There's nothing you want to say. Denial is a thief of joy. Say, Susie, I know you're an adult. You can make decisions for yourself. Okay? I'm just looking out for you.
Smolly, how far now? What's it happen? So if I vex, you know if you follow me talk, you go to vex the strong face. Eh? How far? You know they follow me, they talk. Now end of the day, when you want give me money, you come out. You go sleep for backyard. Wait till they sup now. Why do you do like that?
Who they tell you say they come back house?
Now that one idea important. You call them make people for here, they feel say they maltreat you. Wait till they happen now, Smolly.
See that question where you just talk now? Now the same question what I want to ask you. Boy, what's in the happen? me there with you since day one. When police they come pick you every week like palliative, now me go still go bail you. Oh boy, when your brother dump you, when you help him, now me there here. When you won't kill yourself, say you don't want to live again. Now me still tell you say more day to this life when we see so. But you don't see me. You say now lawyer you want, Abi? But see what I sure say he never suffer one day for his life. Ah boy, you dey carry and come this house. You sef dey follow and comot. Wetin pay me pass than the one way is me. I be your sister.
Smally not be so it be. Not be so it be now. Why you talk like that?
I like you. Ah boy, I like you past the way I feel explain now. You dey see me like film. I'm not gonna let you see me finish. Now baby rubber you say you want, Abi? I'm not sure say that babe fit deal with you raz. The way I don't deal with you. She no fit.
Only man tell you everything will be black and white, not be so it be.
Eh? Tell me how it be. Ma ask you one question. Me and you. Anything fit happen. Tell me now, man, no, so that I go come on my head for where they don't welcome me. Tell me.
I don't know, say now so you dey feel am now. I don't know now.
And him be the problem, gongo. You know they ever know a boy. Nothing where you ever know.
Smallina, me and you dey talk now. Why you dey vex? They go, me and you dey talk now.
So you're really leaving?
The person where they find no day, he there outside.
Please, I'd like to talk to you, even if it's just for 1 minute.
I no get her. You dey hear me? I no get her. Baby Robert, you no get anything where you fit tell me now. How I don't choose you, Abi? You choose you more na career they go. Go for man no see because the next thing now, he go be your boyfriend. What do you want man do? And I to pack my things they come out for here now.
See, that is not how you explain things to me. Look, I am not stupid. You think I don't know that we're from different worlds? A lawyer and a driver. No, let's be real now. Come on, think about it. Let's be real. Okay, yes, we might date, but there is no road for marriage between us. So it is going to be wrong for me to delve into something that has no direction.
Now wait till they try to talk now, baby Robert.
I'm letting go. You've been there for him long before I showed up. And I don't promise to be. I see the way you look at him. The way you care. Listen, I am sorry for the stress. Okay, I really am.
Now your eye clear, Abi. Now today, go your eye open.
I already spoke to a boy. After I saw you running away from the park.
You mean they are gist?
No. But you guys weren't exactly keeping it low. Sorry. Sorry.
See, Susie, you get?
A boy. I think we need to stop. Whatever this is starting out to be. I know that we enjoy each other's company. We tell each other very private stuff, but let's just end this before it gets out of hand.
Why?
What good will it do us, our boy? We're very different.
So you the reason say I don't feel change now, abi?
Come on. I cannot ask you to change. This is who makes you, you. Asking you to change now would be cruel, unfair. I cannot ask you to do something like that.
You uncle. Now inside, what you dey feel? How you dey feel?
I feel all this is about life, reality, expectations, and my family. They will never understand us. So I cannot ask you to change your lifestyle, and I can't also change my lifestyle to fit yours as well. So it's just best for us to let things go.
Now because of Smalley be all this one, Sabi?
Boy, I know that you like her a lot. And she too loves you. And that kind of love, a boy, is real. That's the kind of love you keep close by. It's not something you chase away.
Anybody think I'm I like Smalley, and my G be that, and my girl. Or maybe the reason why I like him, I say I never experienced your parole before.
Same here. But listen, we're not going to be enemies. I'll always be rooting for you, okay? Even if it's from far away. Look, I know that you really care about him, okay? So take care of yourself and take care of him too.
How does it feel when you love someone, but they really can see it?
Thank you.
The way it is. You put in work, you put in time, you put in sweat, but you really can't get it right. That's when you know the actions are just not enough to pass the real message.
So?
I did it. I mean, you were right. I mean, it turns out that I can't possibly adjust to that lifestyle. I mean, honestly, if you think about it. So is it weird that I feel fulfilled, happy, and even relieved about this whole thing?
Come here. Let's hold the lanterns.
Thank you for everything. You're welcome. Okay, good for some juice. 2 glasses?
Certainly.
Okay, I'll be right back. Okay. Here you go.
You had the call.
Oh, I did?
Yes.
Let me
Someone must need your services.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Let's see. Maybe another murder case, something like that.
Who knows? Because chaos seems to be finding his way to you these days.
Tell me about it, girl. I'll attend to this later.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Lagos. Just for losing your phone, all of this.
Girl, Omo, I swear I should write a story about this entire thing.
Alpha.
Let's see, you can't find inside.
So you really just won't carry your things, they come out like that. When you're waiting, I'll make I follow you talk. See, Smalley, what the reason you want? I'll tell you true. What the reason you are the reason person when they understand me past the way I dey understand myself. I was a person when go follow me fight, but go fight for me, go cook for me because I know say that person, the person they feel, the person love me. No understand. The reason person will be say, no understand. You don't need to look my face. You don't even need to hear my voice, but you know say something they worry me. I know say I late, but I don't reason and the only reason why this yard be like the way it be now because say you dey inside and the way now why they feel like home. I don't understand.
Boy, you sure?
Yes, now you know my G. She wagon. No verse now. See, I'm gonna tell you. This boss hustle where they hustle. You go pay. No say I don't save small money, but I go save more. Me and you go dey will come up for your help neighbor like maybe they do anything, maybe they break the wall, we not care. You don't understand.
Crazy.
So as you did like this now and this your bag, unpack am. Me and you go dey, we dey today, we dey tomorrow, we dey forever. Behave yourself, you know why they do like that. Now understand. So you go unpack this bag now. Go drop your things. You dey, and me and you dey today, we dey tomorrow, we dey next tomorrow, forever we dey. Now understand? And now. Oh yeah, nah. Oh jam, nah, come. Why you won't come on go?
I beg.
Oh wow, we not you try.
I'm not saying no feeling without me.
Fighting against our odds, been through thick and thin, so inseparable. For sure it would break me to see you in the arms of another. I know she cares, but I care more. I know she loves, but I love more. I know she knows you, but I know you more. I want you more. Things I might not say, but deep down